This is a brand new Tremcar, 2016 model year, 49,000 liter single compartment hot products tanker, convertible to a TC406 for dangerous goods service. It's a quad axle semi-trailer. It's a stocking unit, so it's available for short-term purchase. Somebody has a demand for a need for a piece of equipment, then we have a good chance or some chance that it could be available in a timely fashion as opposed to waiting 3 to 4 months for lead time and delivery. We also have Tremlease, which is our leasing entity, and we can make arrangements on specific requirements, specific terms and conditions to rent that piece of equipment. Tremlease also operates a rental fleet, so something like this can be absorbed into the Tremlease rental fleet, and when the opportunities are right, that's often a good path for people to follow. Right now it's in the TC406 code condition. There's an emergency air-operated emergency valve in the rear. There's an air-operated emergency valve at the bottom load location and also at the front pump-off line. The rear head valve, which is the traditional hot products asphalt valve, is blanked off. It has a blind flange. It's also equipped with a vent line with an air-operated butterfly valve at the top of the trailer, and the rear connection is a vapor recovery connection which is compatible with the Petroleum style loading racks. In addition, in the side cabinet, we have the controls for the air-operated emergency valves as well as for the top vent valve, and we also have a socket for the overfill protection system. This is a top-of-the-line trailer. One of the features is a stainless steel subframe. With Tremcar's background and history and base being stainless steel tank trailers and being involved in fabricating stainless steel structures and subframes for that type of equipment, we've been doing that for a long time. We do an acid cleanup on it, and it's a cold rolled finish, so it's very attractive, and it's without maintenance, so it doesn't get much better than that. We support our product with a 3-year warranty on all Tremcar fabrications. We transfer the warranties from our component suppliers, but of course we're intimately involved in the sale with our customer, so oftentimes as opposed to downloading that onto the component supplier, we have to take the initiative, get involved, get in between, get any issues resolved, and do that in a timely fashion.
This is a 20,000 liter 3-compartment fuel delivery truck used to haul gasoline, diesel fuel, and home heating oil. This truck is built with an auxiliary power unit. That means there's a secondary diesel engine that they can run when pumping product from the tank, and what that does is allows the system to work using less diesel fuel instead of running the truck when they're pumping off. And we can build a truck to suit a customer's application. This particular customer has 2 different delivery hoses on it. We can do 3 hoses, we can do 1 hose, we can do 1 compartment, we can do a 5-compartment tank. We can build basically whatever the customer is looking for. Standard equipment on one of these trucks is collapsible safety rails up on top of the tank, so if an operator has to go on top of the tank, there's safety rails up there to protect him from falling. Other standard equipment on one of these trucks is going to be bottom loading equipment, so when they go to the rack they can hook on and load through the bottom of the vehicle, again saving the guy from going up on top. Tremcar has service centers across Canada. We have service centers in Lévis, Quebec, Montreal, Toronto, London, Weyburn, Saskatoon, and Edmonton, Alberta. That allows customers to be supported with our equipment across the country.